I like their intro song. It'll be
Alright guys, today we're at SeaWorld Orlando. There are some things we still haven't done yet. This is our third time here.
Third.
So, we saw a picture yesterday of Atlantis.
Yes, yeah, it was of Atlantis. Atlantis. I can't talk today. I've been doing this all morning. We go ahead.
So, we saw a picture of Atlantis yesterday and it was up and running. So we're hoping to hit that one up. We still haven't done the rapid ride.
Yeah, the
River Adventure? Or is that Jurassic Park?
I think that was Jurassic Park. But anyways, the one ride that spins you around.
Yeah,
we'll update you on the name when we get closer.
So the 2 water rides, and then I want to try to conquer my fear on Mako.
All right, so Mako, and there was something else too that we missed, right? That we noticed in someone else's video. I think we missed the ride. Was like we didn't even know that it was back there.
We're just gonna go see what else we can find that we haven't done yet. So.
All right, so yeah, enjoy the ride. I don't know, enjoy the ride. Just want to let you guys know we hadn't even got good inside the park yet. I already broke sweats. All right.
They know it's hot.
I'm still.
It's July.
Look, I'm in shape. I got like cuts in my muscles going on right now.
But it's July.
And you know, hitting the gym, you would think like, oh no, you ain't gonna sweat.
Everybody's sweating.
Oh, by the way, I don't have those cuts in my muscles. Yeah.
I'm not sweating, but whatever.
We different. We different. So different. Ah! Sweat in the eye.
You should have brought you a towel.
Oh yes, that would be a good thing to bring. Is just like a little hand towel with you, so that way you could just wipe your face and then
or your cooling towel.
Maybe slap your significant other or cousin, whoever was.
I'm gonna smack you back. You could have never sent me with your sweat rag.
Sweat rag.
You nasty.
But you know, like in concert, you know, that, like the singer, they'll wipe their face and be like, throw it out in the crowd.
Yeah, and you're like, ah.
It'll be something like that.
No, I would dodge that.
What? What?
I'm not grabbing that. You can grab it.
It's priceless.
No, it has a price. It's called infection in the eye. You have to pay the hospital. Wait.
I got nothing for this.
Aw, Kraken is closed.
Oh no. It's closed for maintenance. Are they even open yet?
I don't think so.
Let's see what they open up today.
Okay, so Journey to Atlantis is going to be open today. They just don't have enough people in yet. So we're gonna come back later whenever they're fully staffed. The Kraken is closed right now for maintenance. So
that's 2 rides down so far. 2 rides.
What time is it?
It is 11:20.
Maybe we'll go see a dolphin show.
Yeah?
Or we should just get on the Mako and get it over with.
All right, we're going to go ahead and attempt to get on the Mako and see how that works out for us. Yeah, it's 11:47 right now.
We're gonna kill some time and get on a couple of water rides.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Oh! Why is it me? Oh! Ow! It got me. Well.
Oh my gosh. It's coming up off the floor.
No! Uh-oh. Hold on.
What the hell? Wait, what? Oh hell, we going backwards?
Kind of dangerous. Oh. Well, that's nice of them.
Oh my gosh!
Wait.
That was fun!
Yeah, that was pretty fun.
Alright, that was so fun. And we are soaked. Absolutely soaked. My butt is wet. If you've ever ridden one of those rides in the raft, usually the heavier spot goes backwards and makes the splash. It was just us on there, so we were going backwards almost the whole time.
Yeah. Yeah.
We should have went one across from each other.
Oh, okay.
Dang.
Because boys' butts. So.
Yeah, our butts are wet.
Wet butts.
But. All right. Oh dang! So last time we got first row. This time we got last row.
Oh, is this last row?
Yeah.
Oh, well. Yes, we are. All right, here we go. See, I like that. Oh, I forgot about that drop though. Whoa!
Kraken because Atlantis was an hour wait, so the Kraken was just a walk-on.
And we got last row, which was it was pretty great. I don't know if I like front row or back row better.
I like, okay, so the front row is good because you see everything that's coming, but the back row is so fast. It just whips you everywhere. Yeah. But maybe Atlantis is worth an hour. I don't know. I've never been on it. So.
I haven't either, so.
We're gonna walk past it. If it's gone down, we may go ahead and go in. I don't know.
All right. Yeah.
It's pretty busy today. It's a Monday, but
I mean, those reservations sound like they filled up pretty fast.
The tourists are coming back.
Yeah. Slowly but surely.
Yeah.
Sweat got mine.
Just did a couple of fun things here today, and we've got some shopping to do, so we're gonna head out. But thanks for trekking with us today.
Yeah, and until next time, we'll see you guys soon.